Alrighty guys, this camera just came out of the house. Huh, there's a project there. But something new is happening. Because it's not falling out now. Oh. Something's different. No, we're not filming with that anymore. Guys, tell me if the quality is off. If you could do that down below. I haven't really set the camera up, but... this project now. By the way, this is a new PowerShot ELPH 190IS. This is the one I used to film with a long time ago. This is not that old camera, because the other one was shot, but got too much use. Well, here we are at the Sthil MS170. It's an okay saw. This is our problem. This little support here is broken, so I built up my own little deal. I put a little wire tie deal around it. That's it. I was just gonna give it a few yanks and see if we can't get it started, but I think what I'm going to do is I may purchase a new saw. This one I have tried to fix many times. In fact, I got so desperate one time. I'll clean the spark arrestor out, spark plug. I put new wires, these new wires in here, air filter, a carburetor, and basically a safety switch and that start switch deal for this handbrake and all kinds of stuff. It all worked as soon as I put that together, and then I went to go use it a couple days later and it did the exact same thing. The Sthil MS170 is it's not my opinion. Some people may have great luck. That's what I've heard before. I have not had one bit of good luck with this thing at all. Nothing. It worked for a couple times, and then I had my uncle use it. He used it every day when they were cutting down trees and stuff at his house. He used it to do log splitting and stuff, but I mean cutting up logs and trees, but no, it's just not working at all. But why not give her a try? We're gonna give it a try. Choke. Okay. Five more tries. Well, that's me. And yeah, that's my review. That had to be. So that had to be one of my least favorite saws I've ever run. I wish The MS211 that we have at the ranch. We now have two because my grandfather bought another one, but those two things are beasts. They are beasts of a machine. They're reliable. Well, I mean, we let them sit for a while, and then we'll go use to rebuild fences. Obviously, got to clear the brush and cut down trees. Those things are great machines. The MS170, although that seems to be one of the most problematic units Sthil has, or chainsaw wise, I think. I don't know about the others, but in my opinion, we did not probably get a good unit. Let me even see if this thing has gas in it. Oh yeah, full tank. Just about a full tank. Well, that pretty much explains it. Now, how many times I have pulled this starter rope is probably the amount of times it would be pulled in its lifetime, if that makes sense. I pulled it thousands and thousands of times. I mean, one week I actually managed to pull my arm out. I pulled it really bad trying to start it. And I was just repeatedly trying to start it and doing some things. I have not adjusted the carburetor. It comes already set. But when I use it, you know, it's fine. But then okay, so what's really funny is I put the carb on it. I got it running. A week or so later, I go do a job. And everything's great. Chain's all sharpened, and now it's not anymore because it's been on the ground, and yeah, not good. I went and I put my finger on the throttle. It was going. I was like, yep, we're gonna get this done. This saw has like never run like this long before. You know, I thought it'd be good. Just, I mean, in my opinion, the thing isn't really even that broken in. But I went to give it some throttle, about half throttle. You know how it makes that sound when you do that sometimes and it bogs? The thing stalled. Then had told my customer I'm going to get a saw from the ranch, and that's how I got that done. And the hours I spent over there, y'all were there seeing how much I had done, you know, just showing you every couple hours how much I had done. Since then, they have been cut down. All that nice work we did, just cut those things down. That's okay. It's not my house, but yeah, I mean, it's kind of disappointing because I spent all that effort and time, all that pain going through all that, and I got paid well for that, but I don't know. Anyways, we don't need to worry about that anymore. I think it's time to, there's another machine that kind of needs to be run. I think it's somewhere over here. See you in a bit. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm actually going to take a minute and set this camera up right. Quality seems off on the screen. I don't know why.